Hello and welcome. I'm an ethical hacker, a computer scientist, and I'll be your instructor for this course. In this course, you'll learn how to become an ethical hacker from scratch. So we'll assume that you have no experience in ethical hacking, and by the end of it, you'll be at a high intermediate level. The first section of this course will teach you how to create your own lab so that you can practice ethical hacking on your own computer. You'll learn how to install Linux systems, interact with them, and set up other systems to try and hack into them. Then we're going to move into our 4 main penetration testing sections. In each of these sections, the first thing that you're going to learn is how that particular system works, and then we're going to learn how to test the security of that system. So, for example, in the network penetration testing, the first thing you're going to learn is how networks work, how devices interact with each other, and then you're going to learn how to try and hack into these devices and into networks. So you're going to learn how to control all the connections around you. You'll learn how to set up a fake access point and lure people into connecting to it so you can capture all the data they send or receive. You'll also learn how to get the password for any Wi-Fi network, whether it uses WIP, WPA, or WPA2 encryption. You'll also learn a very large number of powerful attacks, which will allow you to gain access to any account accessed by any computer in your network. You'll be able to get usernames, passwords, images, pictures, anything that computers on your network send or receive, you'll be able to capture it. Once we're done with that section, we're going to move into the gaining access section, in which you're going to learn how to gain access to computer systems. So we're going to learn it based on 2 methods: server-side attacks and client-side attacks. In the server-side attacks, we're going to learn how to discover weaknesses into programs installed on the target computer and use those weaknesses to gain full access to that computer. Then we're going to move into the client-side attacks, in which we're going to be luring the client using social engineering, creating undetectable backdoors or backdoors that look like images or pictures. You'll also learn how to gain access to any computer if that computer exists in your network using fake updates or using fake downloads. Once done, we're going to move into the post-exploitation section, in which you're going to learn how to control the devices that you already hacked. So we're going to see how you can open the webcam, manage the file systems, download or upload files, capture all the key strikes that the person enters on their keyboard, or even use that computer in order to gain access to other computers. So we're going to use that computer as a pivot. Then we're going to move into the last section of our penetration testing sections, which is going to be the website penetration testing. You're going to learn how to gather information about websites, very comprehensive information, and we're going to see how to discover and exploit a large number of very serious vulnerabilities. Once done with each of these sections, you're going to learn how to protect yourself and how to protect your systems from the attacks discussed in these sections.